So 2020 has been a great year for the virtual classes world, and it took it to a whole new level. And to attend virtual classes or online classes, there are different options. And there are three main categories. 1. The smartphone category. 2. The laptop category. And 3. The tablet category. And the smartphone category, well, all smartphones, including each and every smartphone, comes into the smartphone category. So smartphones are generally short and tiny, so the screen size will be comparatively less than the other two categories. So this category, the smartphone category, is out. So laptops are good, but you have to spend 35 to 40,000 for a good laptop, and it's minimum price. And for a temporary use for a short period of online classes, or right, laptops are not a great choice, so it's not recommendable. Then laptop is also out. Then you have one and only option, that is tablet. So in tablet category you have many different categories, like all the way it starts from 5,000 rupees and it will go up to 2 lakh rupees and even more. So we need a very good tablet and it should be pocket friendly. So today we are going to deal a product which is kind of like something like that. It is a tablet, it's a mid-range tablet, and it is from Samsung. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it and also head out till the end of the video for my first impressions and my thoughts. Okay, I can see my tablet. First of all, the bill. Let's keep that aside. Right. Here you go. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 2020 model, and it's a budget-friendly tablet. Okay, let's open it. Let's just take a look. This is how it looks like. We have the gold color variant, and it is 32 GB, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. And on the sides you have the same thing, and on this side you can see what it's there, and on the back some specifications and some details. Now, so excited to unbox it. Very nice. Okay, so you have seal. Have this. I have to open it. I don't know what is there. I'm also opening it for the first time, directly in front of the camera. And knowingly, paperwork. We never open books. Why will I read that? And you also get a SIM ejector tool. I think it's for the memory card. This one. Okay. And where's the charging brick? I have to see it. Where is it? Right. There you go. You have this cable and this charging brick. Now let's keep everything aside and look. This is actually, I don't know how much is it. Let's get to that later, and let's see if whether it is a Type-C or not. Yes, it is a Type-C. Great thing. Now Type-C is universal, so it's good. And I think this is 7.5 volt charger. No, it is 5 volt. Okay. I don't know why they gave 5 volt, because it will take hours to charge this thing, because this thing has a 7000 mAh battery, but anything. Okay, so we have to peel this. It's a nice texture. Okay. Here we go. It's large. It's large. Let me see the back. And actually it doesn't seem like gold. Actually it's like slight pinkish. And it feels quite premium. Yes, it feels quite premium. It's not a plastic bag, but I'm not sure which material is this. And very premium. Look at the screen size. It's huge. And you have a camera on the back. You have two speakers here. Am I right? Yes, you have two speakers here and a USB port type C, okay? And on this side you have two speakers which is empty, and actually you have what is that? You have a small microphone over there. And on this side, on the top side, you have the power on and power off button, and you have the volume rocker, and actually there is a tiny selfie camera over there. And now Samsung did a very good job because it kept the camera in the right position. Very nice. And also the branding over there, Samsung, somewhere there. Okay, so I'll boot this up and let's see how it works. Let's see the real screen size because it has very thin black bezels. We have to on it. So I'm gonna on it. Okay, here you go. It says Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, secured by Knox, powered by Android. Very nice. Actually, it's prone to fingerprints. Okay, Samsung. Let me also see. Samsung. Come on. Okay, I'll meet you after everything is set up. Okay? Okay. Here you go. This is how it is looking. Whenever you... Wait a second. Not now, thanks. Okay. This is how it looks. The tab, the screen, the display. First, let me talk about the display. It is a stunning display. Like, it is FHD screen. Actually, it is more than FHD. It has 1200 into 1200 pixels per inch, I guess. No, 224 ppi. And the resolution is 1200 into 1200. So it is a little bit more than normal, right? 1080p. Okay. So I already set a face unlock for this, and it completely works fine. Let me show you. So here is the tablet. I'll first try in this orientation. Okay, fast. Now let me try in this orientation. Okay, it works all fine, all set. Okay, so the face recognition is also perfect, and display. The first thing of all, the display is stunning. Let me show you. Awesome colors. Colors are punchy, clear, and very nice. Okay. Like I'm not able to talk because the display is so cool. Now talking about the size, this is 10.4 inch display. I'm talking about the display here from right this corner to this corner. Okay, so this is 10.4 inches. It's big enough. And let me tell you about the bezels over here. This black color border that you can see is not large, it's not thin, they're like medium, and they're perfectly fine when you just hold it in this position, so your hand will not touch the screen at all. So Samsung did a perfect job there. And like, yeah, this tab, to see, to look, everything is fine. Now let me just go to the settings. Go to settings, and then let's check the Android version of it, because I'm not sure which Android version this runs off. Let me just go to software information. Oh, it runs Android 10. Okay, crazy Android 10. Actually, Android 11 is also out, but it's not compatible with all phones, so we have to wait for maybe a software update. And security patch, I guess this is of it is August. It has SMR August 2020 release 1. So security patch is 1st of August 2020. And the One UI core version is 2.5. That's blah blah blah. We all do not need about them. So, and weight of the tablet is also average. It's not too heavy. It's not too, It's not bulky. It's thin. And wait, it's not too thin. It is 7 mm. It's not thin either. It's not thick. So it's perfect. It's the right size. And you also get a SD card slot, so you can expand the storage up to 1000 GB. That's 1 terabyte. So this out of the box comes with 32 GB, as I told you before, and there are pre-installed apps here. I don't know what's the storage now. Let me just check that. The storage. So we have just give me a second. Okay, so we have 19.4 GB available. So the apps, the pre-installed apps will consume this much of storage, and you will be left over with 19.4 gigabyte, which is absolutely perfect. And actually we have a SD card slot so that you can expand the storage. So in future, if you want to extend the storage option, then you can do that. Very fine. And let's just play any music, because this thing has 4 speakers, and I can't wait to watch any video. Let's watch my videos itself. So there are 2 speakers over here, as I told you before, and 2 speakers over here on this side also. So let me just play my own video. And by the way, it has 3 GB RAM. My videos, come on. Okay, my latest video. Let's go to my latest video. One of my latest videos. Right. Look at that. Can you hear that?
Hey guys, this is Srikanya. Welcome to Sriram Creation. So today we are going to discuss concurrent lines in a triangle. So what are the concurrent lines in a triangle?
Wait.
There are 4 types of concurrent lines in a triangle. One is median, antitude.
The speakers are very, 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 very loud. You saw that, right? Very loud. Speakers, fantastic. And actually that display and the combination of speakers is a perfect combination. This stunning display with loud speakers, like it surrounds you, and this is actually a real entertaining tablet. You can watch movies and YouTube videos, everything on this. It's perfect for entertainment purpose. And Samsung claimed it, right? It said that it was the entertainment, this tablet was meant for entertainment purpose, and that's totally true. It is meant for entertainment purpose. Very, very, very stunning display with that audio section. Very nice. And what's up? What's next? Let's see. Camera. Right. I'll take some camera photos. This is when the downfall starts. Just joking, because cameras are not so important in tablets. So it's just for scanning documents, or just, for video calls or Zoom classes, right? So, and in terms of that, it's quite fine. I'll take some random pictures and show it to you guys. Yeah, so the camera quality isn't that great, but it is fine. Generally, we do not need to be the best cameras on tablets, so we do not use the cameras on tablets. So fine. Selfie camera, good. Normal rear camera, also good. Microphone quality is also good. Now, let's talk about internals. As I told you before, it runs Android 10. And thankfully, Samsung did not involve its own processor. It did not involve any Exynos processor. Instead, it gave the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, which is not the best chipset. It's not the worst chipset. It's average. It's good for your basic work. All basic work. Basic video classes or online classes. Basic, everything basic. It's a basic chipset and it's perfect. And if you want to do gaming on it, you have to think twice, because Snapdragon 662 is not a great processor, so you have to keep the frame rate in lower frame rates so that you can get a better and smoother experience. If you set the quality of the frames to high, then you are going to experience some frame drops. So keep that in mind. And that's it. It also has a headphone jack. So that's it about the tablet, and it is perfect for all of you guys who wants to get a budget tablet which does all the things perfectly. Then I think this is a great choice. And it's not yet launched. They are going to release it into the market, then you can buy it in offline stores. I think it's of October 12th. So we pre-ordered this thing, and the MRP of this is 18,000. You can get this for 17,999, 18,000. And there are some pre-booking offers running, so you can get 2000 rupees instant cash back if you have an ICICI credit or debit card. And you also have a pre-booking offer, that is you can get the book cover. So the cover, right, for this tablet, there is a cover. It is directly from Samsung, and you can get that half the price, around 1500. So its MRP is 3000, something like that, around 3000, and you're going to get 50% off. So if you like to purchase it with the discount, then you can. So I bought it, and it's perfect for me. And I found one issue while testing this. I'm testing it from around 45 minutes now, and I found one major issue, and it's like the heating issue. Actually, when I started this up and I holded it, then I started feeling some rise in temperature over the camera part. And actually, this border, you can see, right, there is a color difference there, and that is actually made up of plastic, and it is for the antennas. And I guess that is the big reason for heating. But it's okay. Heating is an issue, but it is not really a game changer. So this tablet is perfect for all of you guys. And also, I will give the link in the description. So if you are interested to purchase this, then you can go purchase it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do consider subscribing to get instant notifications. Press the bell icon also. That's it for the day, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Also like, share and comment this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.